Hey, how you doing today? Hope you're doing well. My name is Trin Rios, and I'd just like to take a few moments here to tell you about my story when I tried to start my business. A couple of years ago, when I decided that I needed to make some money and I didn't want to get a job, so I decided to look online. And by golly, Mr. Google had thousands of different people who could tell you how to make money online. Well, following my bad instinct, I started looking around on the internet, and I found all kinds of people, all kinds of gurus that wanted to help me make money. They're going to show me how to do it. So over the next year and a half or so, I spent a lot of money, several $1,000s, and a lot of hours buying these programs that were going to help me make money online. Much to my chagrin, none of them panned out. I wound up losing a lot of money, wasting a lot of time on stuff that didn't work. So finally I stumbled upon this video by Tony Robbins, and I watched it and I said, wow, he's absolutely right. Now, I watched a lot of videos by Tony Robbins, and one of the things that really hit me, he said, if you want to become success in anything, you got to find somebody that's been there, somebody that's made all the mistakes so that you don't have to make. He said, a smart man learns from his mistakes, but a wise man learns from the mistakes of others. Sounds like a good idea to me. So I started following Tony Robbins. Another one of the things he said was, if you want to become successful, follow somebody that's been there, that's made all those mistakes. Follow him, model him, do what he does. And in time, if you follow him, you do what he does, you're going to get where he's at. And that's what you want, right? That's what you want. So find somebody that you really admire and is at the place where you want to be and follow him. Now, I've done that. I found Anthony Robbins. I found Anthony Morrison, and I started following him. And by golly, I like the way Anthony teaches. He teaches you step by step how to do things, how to do it, when to do it. He shows you step by step. You can't go wrong if you follow him. You can't go wrong. So a couple of months ago, Anthony came out with this new program called Partner with Anthony. So he's giving you an opportunity to work with him directly. To work directly with Anthony. So you can learn from him step by step, learn everything he knows, and he's willing to teach you. Now, you know, Anthony does not need to do this. He's a multimillionaire. He makes millions of dollars every month. So he doesn't need the money, but he's dedicated and he really wants to help others. So he wants to help you become successful, and if you follow him, you will be. You can't go wrong. Just follow Anthony. Now, below this short video, I have a link that you can get more information directly from Anthony. He'll teach you exactly what you need to know. Hey, it's a simple program, and it's cost peanuts. The cost of this program, Partner with Anthony, is only $7. $7. That's less than a Big Mac and a super meal at McDonald's. You get a Big Mac, large order of fries, and a big drink, it's going to cost you more than $7, let me tell you. But now I don't know how long Anthony's going to keep this price at $7. He could sell it for thousands. Literally, he could sell it for thousands. So, click the link below. Like this video, comment, and I'll get back to you, and share this video with your family and friends. Hey, I'm sure they'll be glad that you shared it with them, so they can also start to fulfill their dreams and start making money online. Okay? So again, click the link below so you too can get started working with Anthony. It's a good deal. You can't go wrong. Click the link, comment, like the video, and share it with your family and friends. Okay? Take care. Bye. Good luck.